I've heard this song is full of hope and togetherness, and Peter Gabriel's voice is just mwah. So when this won the patron vote, I was just doing a little happy dance in my head. I've never heard it before, so turn on the captions to see the lyrics in your language, and let's find out why this song connects with so many people.
Accepting all I've done
So
and
beautiful.
said, I want to stand and stare again till there's nothing left out. Oh, it remains there in your eyes.
So beautiful.
Whatever comes and goes, I will hear your silent call, and I will touch this tender wall.
Everyone's dancing together.
Home again.
I hope you're dancing. What a beautiful contrast. Wow, control. Beautiful. I of course love the grit in Peter Gabriel's voice, but what I love here is the contrast between his voice and her voice. Now this is Paula Cole, who's actually best well known for being on this tour with Peter Gabriel.
I don't wanna wait for our lives to be over.
Her voice, oh, it's so clear and so bright. That means her vocal cords are definitely coming fully together. It's really, really efficient. Peter Gabriel's, although absolutely beautiful, probably isn't so efficient. That's why he's getting that grittiness in his voice, and it works so well having completely different voices that then join together, showing that we can be different, but we're all the same. Let's watch this gorgeous moment here where she flips up to head voice. It's so gentle. Oh wow.
In your eyes,
Ah!
your eyes,
I don't know who that is. Let me know if you do.
in your eyes.
Jump. So we've got another singer here who's standing next to Paula. Very well known.
Love, I get so lost sometimes.
This is what I mean. It's so clean here.
Pass, and this emptiness fills my heart.
Let's talk about that. I suspect that Peter Gabriel might have uneven vocal cords. I'm not sure. I haven't scoped him, but I'd love to know the answer to this. That means that when they're not together fully, they kind of rattle around and create that grittiness. But when he goes up into that higher part of his range where it's super clean, he's putting his vocal cords together really tightly, and then they can vibrate more efficiently, so you're not getting that grittiness. It's a theory. Now I can't wait for the other singer to sing a little bit, and I want to tell you about him because he's a very important singer.
And this emptiness fills my heart. When I want to run away, I drive up in my car. But whichever way I go, I come back to the place you are. And all my instincts
Jumping. Okay, that's interesting. And smooth singing.
So soon we'll burn without a noise, without my
How can he jump like that but sing so smoothly? And it's all about how you breathe. It takes a little bit of work, but there's a few things that you can do. First of all, cardio fitness. The more you get out of breath, of course, the more difficult this becomes. Number 2 is getting really good at breathing. The more you can stabilize your rib cage in this whole central area, you can let the rest of your body jiggle around and it's gonna be fine. And finally, it's making sure that you're breathing into the back of your body and not just the front of your body. Many of us have been taught to breathe into our belly, and that's not necessarily bad, but it can cause some issues when we're doing a little wiggle like this. Our lungs end at the bottom of our ribcage, and you can find that. If you squeeze down your side, you'll feel where the bones of your ribcage end. That's where your lungs end. When our diaphragm goes down and our lungs fill up, we're pushing down our guts. What we're really filling up with air is everything under this ribcage. And one of the places that we often forget about is breathing into the back of our lungs. So you can often get a little bit more stability in here if you breathe right into your back. And then you can dance
The light, the heat,
and sing
I am
smooth.
complete. The resolution of all the fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. I wanna be that complete. I wanna touch the light.
I love this choreography.
I see in your eyes. In your eyes. In your eyes.
Dancing in pairs. Their bodies moving in unison. So nice.
Love.
How come they've got these amazing singers on stage, but instead of singing in wild harmonies, they're singing unison?
I wanna be that complete. I wanna touch the light.
I think that's the entire point. It's all about having these completely different voices, bringing them together and making one voice. A beautiful singing metaphor.
Love. I don't like to see so much pain.
Me neither.
So much wasted, and this moment keeps slipping away. I get so tired, working so hard for our survival. I look to the time with you to keep me awake and alive. But all my instincts, they return on the grand facade. So soon we'll burn without a noise, without my pride. I reach out from the inside.
Wonderful unison. These seem quite simple movements, but I can tell you doing simple movements actually makes things way harder. Just that slightly higher heart rate, that increased need for oxygen in the body means that you really just have to understand your breathing. There's many different schools of thought, but I would really recommend looking into breathing anatomy because that's when it really makes sense. Okay, I promise I will tell you who this man is in a moment. I want to dance him.
In your eyes, the light, the heat. I am complete. I see the doorway. 1,000 churches. The resolution of all the fruitless searches. Oh, I see the light and the heat. Oh, I wanna be
I don't know what language is this. Let me know if you do.
Silamba sitangai, sabot, manga chibi. Sabot, silamba sitangai, sabot, manga chibi.
Whoa. That was so interesting. She is going against something that I find so instinctual because this is this big moment in the song. I would want to do a big belty mixed note at the top, but she's not doing that. She adds that extra bit of surprise, which is so classy. She moves up to a slightly breathy head voice. Ugh. Now, the other singer you're seeing there is a guy called Papa Wemba. He is a massively influential Congolese singer, and he was known as the king of rumba rock. It's so high. It makes it so easy. You know, this song sounds so easy and so relaxed, but then actually Peter Gabriel's singing so high and it's so many textures. Are there any other songs that you think show off Peter Gabriel's technical prowess? Because I would love to hear them. Like that. Such an interesting texture. Ah, here it is. Interesting vibrato. Completely different voice again. He's another completely different voice. You couldn't have three more different voices. Peter Gabriel's is warm and husky. He's got a low larynx, lots of space. Hers is crystal clear and direct, whereas his is also direct but with nasality and grit. It's so nice to have those voices come together. I hope we're dancing. It just makes me want to dance. I find it like quite emotional when you have this scenario. Cycling shorts and tailcoat. That's funny. I love it. Oh, some harmonies now. It's so clever, leaving the harmonies right until the end. This uplifting spiritual choir and everyone is surrounding them. I would love to have been at this concert. It feels like it would have been a spiritual experience. It makes you so happy to be alive. Look at humans, we can be awesome sometimes. Look, we can strut like that.
It's in your eyes.
Oh, it's making my... It's giving me goosepimples.
Grazie. Malachi. Papa Wimber.
Thank you. If we can make beautiful music like this, with all the people in that arena singing and feeling together, then there is hope. If you like this video, you might like one of these. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.